Hello YouTube, this is Tim. It's been a week since I made a video. I didn't have none for last Sunday because I didn't do anything. I didn't record nothing, and today I decided I gotta try and make a video. Shh. Come here. Give Paul. Give me Paul. Give me Paul. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Jake's getting so big. Here he is. Here is little guy. He's getting so big. His little face. Look at that little face. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. And then we got the other Lucas here. Don't worry about them clothes there, but yeah, we got Lucas there. Well, probably everybody has seen them, and I know this is old, but I got me an ipad2 now. So yeah, I got an ipad2 and stuff. So yeah, this is what I got on my ipad2. Ain't much stuff, but I just downloaded Mario Run. That seems like a fun game, but I ain't gonna pay them $10 for another to go through the other levels. That's just crazy. I ain't paying. So I guess I'm gonna be playing Mario Run anymore because, well, I'm not doing it. Okay, folks. Just downloaded iTunes for my iPad, and so that's where I am right now. I mean, I don't know where this video is going. I don't know what's happening here. But that's where I am right now. But this has been Tim and Jake signing off. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Peace out, YouTube.